We are going all out on Philips Hue outdoor lighting. We want to create a truly inviting space in our backyard in the evenings. And this is the Lily Outdoor Spotlight. We're really excited about this one as we'll be using it to spotlight some of the beautiful trees in our backyard. One thing I always love about Philips packaging is it is all plastic free. And the light is well protected, but here it is. There's your LED right there that will change multiple colors and is super smart. And then the cord is a super weatherproof, waterproof, rubbery cord. And then it has a special Phillips connector at the end. And these are great. They just pop together with the correct piece. It also comes with a 16.4-foot cable, so you have a lot to work with, and a T connector. And these are awesome as they allow you to connect down the line more and more lights so you can customize however you want with different sizes extension cords on each side. They twist in same plugs, and they have one that's covered. So if this is the end of your line for your final light, you can keep that covered up so it stays fully protected. And then you plug your light in right there. Now on the light itself, it has this bottom attachment. You can also twist this off, and then you can add this stake right here directly onto it. Or you can make the stake extra tall and then add that to the base. Just twist on, and now your light is elevated off the ground so you can have more control over where it's lighting and how it works. And the light itself, you can just spin by loosening this, and it actually has these little teeth here that you can put where you want, and when you have it in the position you want, just tighten it back up, and it'll stay in that position. This is really cool. I am very impressed with the quality and the options, and I am thrilled to put this in my yard. I love how they hide out of sight, and they can really light up whatever you want to light up beautifully. The spotlights may just be my favorite. I love the way they light up the trees and really increase the ambiance of the space. We have a long ways to go in moving these around and playing with the colors, but I am really loving what Philips Hue can do.